In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. To do this, first go and open up Crypto.com and head over to accounts in the bottom. Then here, first you will need to have your money in a fiat currency like euro or pounds before you can withdraw it. So if it's still in, say, Bitcoin, then first open it up, go and sell it right here by clicking trade, and then sell it for cash. And once you have it as cash in your account, go and open up that account. So for me, that's euro right here. Can you blur my name and bank details here? Then you want to go and click on withdrawal. And you can choose how much you want to withdraw. I'll just click max. Now the minimum is 80 euros. In my case, I would need to sell a bit more to withdraw this. But you can now see too, it says my Revolut bank. Now, if I want to withdraw to a different bank, first what you can do is just click on the current bank it says. And if you only have one right here and it doesn't include the one that you want to withdraw to, then in order to add that bank, here's what you can do. You just want to go back to this section here, then click deposit. Then instead of setting it to MasterCard, which it is for me, set it to a bank transfer. And then go to the bank account that you actually want to go and withdraw your money to and make a small transfer to this account. The minimum is €1 as you can see at the top. And just make a small transfer to these details, because by doing that you will connect that bank account to your Crypto.com account. It can take 1 to 2 business days, but just go to make a small transfer, and then once you have made that transfer, the bank account will then show up right here as one of your connected bank accounts. So I've just sold a bit more so that I have enough right here, and I'll then just click on max. Then I'll do the Revolut bank account here and click withdrawal. Then you can see the amount. The fee is €1. Now click confirm and enter your passcode. And if you have it connected, a 2-factor authentication code. And then it will say withdrawal requested. Your request is pending for review. Then just tap anywhere. And now you will have made the request. So you can see here it's now still pending, but it's going to go through soon. It can take up to 1 business day to review. So now you know how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.